Hello, everyone, and especially to you, ma'am. Good day. I will be the one who report on the topic, which is self-assessment and reflective teaching in learning mathematics. But the self-assessment in learning mathematics will be reported by Marianeta Palapar, and I will be the one who report about the reflective teaching in learning mathematics. Self-assessment and reflective teaching in learning mathematics. First, we have to know what is reflective teaching. Reflective teaching, it is a process where teachers think over their teaching practices, analyzing how something was taught and how the practice might be improved or changed for better learning outcomes. Reflective teaching is about more than just summarizing what happened in the classroom. It is quieter and more systemic approach to looking what happened. It requires patience and careful observation of the entire lessons. Let us also know what is reflective teacher and what does our reflective teacher do. So, the reflective teacher must understand the things that influence the way he or she teach things such as 1. Practical theories about teaching. 2. The teaching content such as class size, students' language levels, access to technology, textbooks, and curriculum. 3. Knowledge, attitudes, and values. What does a reflective teacher do? First, solve problems in the classroom. Second, is aware of the assumptions he or she brings to teaching. And the third one is understand the institutional and cultural content of his or her teaching. And the last one is participate in curriculum development and school change. Promoting student reflection to improve mathematics learning. What does reflection look like within a mathematics lesson and when should it happen? Reflection can take many forms and is often dependent on the age and abilities of your students. For example, young students may not be able to write fluently, so verbal reflection is more appropriate and can save time. Verbal reflection, regardless up to age of these students, can be captured on the video and used as evidence of learning. Video reflection can also be used to demonstrate learning during parent-teacher conferences. How will you incorporate reflection into your mathematics lesson? Reflection can occur at any time throughout the lesson and can occur more than once per lesson. For example, when the students are involved in the task and notice they are struggling and perhaps not providing appropriate response, a short, sharp verbal reflection would provide opportunities to change direction and address misconceptions. Reflective at the reflective at the conclusion of the lesson consolidates learning and also assess students in recognizing the learning that has occurs. They are more likely to remember their learning when they have to articulate it either verbally or in writing. Differentiate mathematics teaching approach with the application of reflective teaching. First, flip classroom model for teaching mathematics. This model incorporates use of technology, leverage the learning in a mathematics classroom. So, a teacher can spend more time interacting with students and engaging them in discussions related to the mathematics. And the second one is structuralist approach for teaching geometry, using visual, hands-on models to present basic but abstract ideas. The structuralist approach for teaching mathematics means using of series of specific concrete intuitively accessible models to allow learners to explore and to discover mathematical structures through spiral cycle which revisits key abstract mathematical ideas. And the third one is integrated environmentalist approach. In this approach, mathematics teachers consider mathematics as being integrated with other areas of knowledge and can be discovered by exploring problems within the real life context. Mathematics is also used for imposing an abstract structure on contextual situations. The learner's environment is essential as the base not only for the abstraction process but a source of meaning, inspiration, and motivation. And the fourth one is formative approach. This approach is designed as entirely learners centered. The main teacher's goal is to match learning opportunities with learners' abilities with an aim to improve each student's understanding of mathematical concepts, encouraging students in self-reflection. Providing students with opportunities to self-reflect is a powerful way to help them understand that their effort must be focused, and it gives students specific tools they can work on to improve that huge for meaning. It can be the difference between feeling powerless or having hope. I think that's it, and thank you and God bless us all.